Good morning, children. I am your teacher Ashwini Margikar from Sanskriti School. You remember me, right? Yes, very good. So, children, tell me, in these holidays, are you playing with your toys? Yes, you love to play with the toys, na? Very good. And then, after playing, are you keeping it in their place? Oh, thumbs up, children. Very good. Because good children always pick up their toys and keep it in their place when they are done playing. Yes? Very good, children. So, now today, what are we supposed to do? Do you know? Do you know what are we going to do? No. I will tell you what. Do you remember last time we did some letter? Yes? We learnt a new letter. Do you know which letter? And then we have somebody who's come to meet you all. Yes, and she also wants to know which letter you learned. So, children, will you tell her? Okay, let's call her. See, such a beautiful doll. She has a beautiful smile. Yes, she's come to know which letter you have learned. So, shall we tell her which letter? Yes, children, do you remember? Yes, very good. So letter S. Oh, thumbs up to you. And the sound of the letter S. Sound of letter S. How does it make sound? S. S. Very good. And you remember the song for letter S? Do you remember the song? Yes, the snake. Yes. So let's sing for the doll. Let's sing for the doll. Okay. The snake is in the grass, the snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass, the snake is in the grass. Did you like it? Yes, children, I know you love the song. Even I love it too. Even our doll loves it too. So let's sing it once again. Yes, let's do it. The snake is in the grass, the snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass, the snake is in the grass. Very good, children. Thumbs up to you. Now, do you remember the objects that begin with letter S? Do you remember the objects that begin with letter S? Yes, very good, children. Yes, up in the sky, what is there? Yes, tell me. Very good, children. Sun. Sun starts with letter S. Sun. Then what else? You remember? Star. Yes. And our snake. Yes. Very good, children. Now, children, you remember last time I told you that you will search in your house what all objects you can find with letter S. Yes. So even I searched for objects that begin with letter S, and you know what all I found? I'm sure you also found some of them. So let's see what all we have searched for. The first one, spoon. Yes, very good, children. Even you searched for it, right? So this is spoon. Very good. And then what else? Do you know what I searched for? Sweater. Sweater. Oh. And there's something else also that you wear when you are going out. Yes. Socks. Socks. And do you know what? And when you take a bath, you use this to clean yourself. Do you know what? Your mama applies it to you. Yes. Soap. Soap. It's very important, children. So always take bath every day. Okay? And then you always are supposed to wash your hands also using a soap. And when you go out and you play, your hands become dirty. Yes? They become dirty. Then what are you supposed to use when you are out and you don't have a soap with you? Then mama has a sanitizer. Yes? What does mama have? Sanitizer. Sanitizer also starts with letter S. Very good. So you are supposed to use this, okay, and rub it on your palms, okay, properly, so that your hands are not dirty and they are germ free, okay. So sanitizer. And then I have something else. I know you love to draw on this. Slate. Slate. Yes. So children, let's look at the objects again. Okay. Spoon. Soap. Socks. Sanitizer. Slate. So these all begin with letter S. Yes, they begin with letter S. And sound of letter S is S. Very good, children. Thumbs up to you. So you know the letter now very well. Now you will again search for the objects. Okay, and then tell me next time when we meet. Yes? So till that time, bye-bye. See you and take care. And keep smiling. Oh, even smile starts with letter S. Yes? So keep smiling. Very good.